Our sandstone pathway is going to be laid over concrete for strength and durability. To create a concrete slab in this way, we're starting our timber frame on the side that's next to the house. This formwork is going to stay buried behind the concrete and won't be removed. I'm fixing this part of our frame to the stumps that hold the deck up. When these timbers are locked in at the right height, they work as an indicator to let me know how much more sand I need to remove. I use the excess sand as backfill behind these boards to help stop the concrete pushing them out. The outside edge of our path has a curve in it, strips of plywood so we can bend it and end up with the curve we need. With all our plywood strips cut to the right thickness, I create the curved edge of our pathway. I keep adding more stakes to soften the shape of this curve. My plan is to add about 75 mil of this gravel.
You come and go like a monsoon rain. You have